Alright, we changing out a cab airbag today. I already changed out one side. Here's the old one. That's how it looks. And we got the new one right here. Cab airbag. Pretty much identical. So we're gonna swap them out. They got a quick connect on the bottom for your airline. Alright, we're gonna start with a jack first. We got our jack stand here. Find a good spot. I like to put it right here in the groove. I got the truck running. I got air in this bag. And I'm gonna jack up on this jack. We're gonna lift this cab up. We're gonna lift this cab up till it's high enough, and we're gonna scoop this airbag out of it. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully we can get it done. The cab is starting to raise up. I should have had a bottom jack for this, I'm not gonna lie. Should have had a bottom jack. But we gotta, I wasn't expecting to do this video. This is the jack I had in my pickup truck. So, y'all bear with me. This might be high enough, let's check. So I got a flathead screwdriver. We're gonna sneak in here at the top. See if we can sneak it out. Go a little higher. Alright. There we go. She comes right out. Now, we got to undo the bottom. This nozzle. It's a quick connect. We're going to undo it. Pressing it in. Press in and pull the hose out. It's gonna fight the cords. There we go. Got the hose out. Here's the bag. Alright, we're gonna put the new one in. I think I'm gonna put, let's put the bag in the top first and not shoot it with air. So we're gonna line it up. So hole in the top, clean up this base a little bit. Line it up. Let's see. Alright, I got the top in. Now, we're gonna put the bottom in. Around. Now I'm gonna hook up my airline to it. Just push the airline straight in and then pull out the check it. Make sure it's good. So we're gonna release. I think we got it good. We're pretty much secured in there. We're gonna drop the cab back down. See what we got. This should fill up with air. This airbag should fill up with air when I let the pressure off. Add it all the way up there. I'm not good with this little jack. So I said I should have my bottom jack. And the jack fighting me more than the thing on the airbag. Alright. Legend has it, he's still trying to get the jack down, right? That's what y'all be saying in the comments. I don't know how it is. But there we go. So now you can see the airbag filling up. As the pressure comes off the cab. Got the jack out. Now we got two good airbags. I changed both of these out. We're good to go. If you like that video, just follow the page, like the page. You see more videos on this truck and stuff. This is a Freightliner Century, 07 Freightliner Century. We changed both airbags, cab airbags. Use the jack stand, flathead screwdriver, and our spare airbags, cab airbags.